This segment of Showcase is brought to you by the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology. I've got Taylor with me today. How are you?
I'm awesome. How are you today?
I'm getting excited because we're going to be doing a very special procedure to help give a glow. Tell us about what we're going to be doing.
Absolutely. You are doing one of our top procedures for this time of year, a little dermaplane with an LED light on top. This procedure is especially popular this time of year. We have a lot of people getting ready for weddings, and so this is a great way to help your skin look what we call the glazed donut ready. It's going to be nice and shiny. Makeup will lay flat on the top of the skin. And we like sunscreen, so again, whether or not you're a makeup girl or not, it just really gives the skin a glassy finish.
So what does this actually mean if someone does dermaplaning?
So the difference of dermaplaning in the clinic versus dermaplaning at home is we're going to use a scalpel, and so we use a very special kind of blade that is intended for dermaplaning, and we're going to prep your skin and get it totally degreased, which means it's void of any oil. So we're going to dry the skin out first. And then the benefit of coming in and having us do is not only is it going to take off the peach fuzz and the hair, but it's also over the course of time really going to make the skin smooth because we'll get some of that dead skin and some of the texture irregularities as well.
Now, I've seen a lot of people try to do videos where they DIY. They order their own razors. They think they can do it themselves. Why is that so not a good option for people to try this at home?
It is one of those things that even between appointments in here, if someone asks me, Taylor, can I lady shave at home? Can I do it? I'll say like, yeah, you can do it at home. But it's a little dangerous. And even the girls here in office, we all have those times in between appointments where we have those little blades at home and we touch up. And we even nick ourselves with those blades. So one of the main reasons to come in is that we're going to have the lighting. We're going to make sure we're going in the direction of the hair growth. It's going to be far less irritative, but predominantly it's a safety reason. Also, when you're doing it at home, you're going to just be getting that hair up, but you're not going to get as nearly close of contact, so it's not going to be as smooth of a finish.
I would assume that also means that if you're not doing it professionally, you're not really getting your dead skin cells off, and so those products that you're spending all that money and that time using, those aren't really going to sink in as far as they could and really be as active, correct?
Yeah, and not to be super personal, but like I'm a professional, I've been doing this for a long time. I can't really dermaplane the side of my neck that well.
You can't see it. Your eyeballs are not anywhere close to it.
That's exactly right. But when you're taking candid photos and you're out at events, like all of you is going to be photographed. So having somebody come in and having those removed hands that are able to get you in places that you can't see,
it's important. Now tell me about red light therapy and why is this such a great option with dermaplaning?
Yeah, absolutely. So low light laser treatments are what we're going to use in the hardware of an LED device. It is probably the most asked about home device and treatment that we hear about. People will ask us about devices all the time. There's a lot on the market. And I always tell people, you know, if you're going to get one, they're going to be really expensive. So you can be assured that when you're coming into the office here, we have the top tier LED devices that are available. Everything that we're going to use here is incredibly science-backed. And we always describe an LED treatment as that thing that's kind of the cherry on top of the sundae. There's a lot of procedures and devices that we do here that have a lot of downtime. This is a device that's going to go in, and it's not going to give you that, oh my gosh, but what it really is going to do is going to enhance the benefits of everything that we're doing. Anti-inflammatory, great for acne. Again, and what the whole purpose of an LED treatment is it's essentially a light treatment. We're not plants, we don't photosynthesize. However, our cells do get energy from light, and it's this whole idea of stimulating the fibroblasts that in turn we're also going to give our mitochondria what they need so that they can produce the ATP, which is their food.
I love it. You know all of the science, and our job is just to sit here and let you do the amazing work that you do. So if you want to get these services done, dermaplaning, red light, or anything else, you can make your appointment right now. And this segment of Showcase is brought to you by the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology.